Good evening. Good evening to all. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 10th, 2024. Already solved one puzzle, three-star Sudoku, so three puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the four stars Sudoku. Let me zoom this in. Four-star Sudoku. This will be number 9249. 9249. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has truly 24 printed digits. Yes, the four-star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for four stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a four stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. Okay. Two ones. Four twos. Alright. What are the threes? Three threes. Three fours. Two fives. Two sixes. 1 7. Four eights. And 2 9. So the twos and eights are a majority. Can I start with the twos? No. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? How about the eights then? 8. 8 in the last row, 8 in a row above. So in that row, the only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9, 9, okay, need an 8 there or here. 8 in the 8 here or there. Interesting. Alright. Then need a 5 here. 2 here. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. My next strategy is to look for big squares with 4 boxes. Empty boxes. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and a 6 in these two boxes. 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 4 goes and there. Alright, 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 4, 4, 4. Okay. With the 6, 6, 6. I'm thinking. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the column next. On the last column, the only two places left, the 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this third row, 6 in the second row, so the first row, only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column and only two places left, the 6 could be here, could be there, okay. 7, need a 2 here, okay. Need a 7 here. Need a 9 here. Thinking. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the last column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. That means 1 digit left in this last column for number 1 then here. 1, 1 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 1 should be here. Alright, need a 1 here. 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here or there. Yeah. 2. Need a 2 here or there. But a 3. Need a 4. Come on. What's happening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Same for here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. 2. Okay. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. 8. Need an 8 here. 8. Need an 8 here. Wow. 8. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for 3. Could be here, could be there. Come on. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for 9. Could be here, could be there. Come on. 5. Okay, 8. 7. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Well. 5, 8, 7. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. Then look, we have 8 in this big square, no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. So the 7 and the 5 are left. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row only 3 places left. 8 should be here, here, or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. The only place left 8 should be there. So the 2 and a 3, and I need a 9 here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, 2 in the third row. The only 2 places left with the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 in the 4, 2 in the 4. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, then 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Here, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Then, mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in this column. So, no 4 there. 4 should be there. So, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 9 are missing here. Then let me see. 4, 4, 4. Do we have all the 4s? No. How about the 2s? 2, 2. No. How about the 8s? Need an 8 here. Yeah. 8, 8. Need an 8 there or there. Wow. Need a 6 here. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between. The middle row, only 3 places left. 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 could be here. Could be there. 1 in this row. 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 could be here. Could be there. 7 and 9. That means the other 3 numbers should be the 1 is missing. 2, 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. So 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 number left. The 4, 5 is missing here. 7 and 5, we have 5 in this column. Middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. This is a 3 and a 1. Okay. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 7. We have 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. So the 3 and the 1 are left. 3 and a 1. Okay. 6, 3 and a 1. I need to wait here. 7, 8, and 9. Come on. 4, 1, 6. Well, we need a 1 in this row. Here can be 1. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Here can be 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1. And the only place left with 1 in this row should be here. So 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Okay. That means 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, no, only 2 places left for 1. Could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing here. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with 6. We have 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1, okay. 1 and 3. Alright. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here then. 7, 8, and a 9. 7, 8, and a 9 are missing here. We have a 1 and a 3, 7, 8, and a 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in the first column, so this box should be a 7. 7, 8, 7, and 9. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, in place level 7 should be here. So the 8 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 8 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below, only 3 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And if eliminated here, the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the third column for number 9 then. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 2. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left in this second column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 1. We have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes or so. 60 minutes. Previous Sudoku also 60 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. No 4, no 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with all the 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.